If the knives in your kitchen have become dull and you don't have any sharpening tools, don't rush out to buy a whetstone or even a brand new knife. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to sharpen a dull knife using materials that are easy to find at home. With just a little care and some everyday items, your knife can be sharp again and ready for your daily cooking needs. First, let me show you that this knife is really dull. Let's try using it to cut this tough plastic rope. If the knife were sharp, the rope would be cut easily. But as you can see, this knife can't cut through the rope at all. This knife is completely dull. Just look at the result. The rope is still intact and hasn't been cut at all. The first step is to wash the knife before sharpening it. You can use toothpaste to clean it. Knives that are used daily to cut vegetables, meat, or other ingredients usually leave behind residue on the blade, especially oil from meat. Toothpaste is very effective in cleaning off this residue, making the knife clean and ready before we begin sharpening. So, which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. It's wonderful to see that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Next, prepare a ceramic bowl. Turn it upside down and use the bottom surface to sharpen the dull knife. You can add a little water to make the sharpening process smoother and more effective. Before sharpening, apply some toothpaste to the blade. This method enhances the sharpening process because the ingredients in toothpaste are also effective in removing small rust spots from the knife. If you don't have a ceramic bowl, you can also use a ceramic plate or even a ceramic cup. The ceramic surface works very well as a tool to sharpen dull knives or other cutting tools that have lost their edge. Why does ceramic work for sharpening? Because the unglazed ring at the bottom of ceramic items has a slightly rough texture, similar to a whetstone. This texture can gently grind away tiny layers of metal on the blade, making the edge thin and sharp again. Moreover, ceramic is a very hard material, even harder than some types of soft steel. That's why ceramic can serve as an emergency replacement for a sharpening stone. So don't underestimate the ceramic bowls, plates, or cups in your kitchen. With a simple trick, these everyday items can bring your dull knife back to life. After finishing the sharpening process, let's try again to cut the plastic rope that we couldn't cut earlier. Amazing! The rope was cut so easily. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so and join our community because we still have many creative ideas to share. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. This simple idea might be useful for them too. If you enjoyed this idea, give it a like. It really motivates us to keep creating more creative and useful content. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and see you in the next creative one.